How to find a Buffalo Wild Wings near you using the location page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to the official website of Buffalo Wild Wings. Here, you'll find this kind of screen. Now, on the right side, simply add your city's zip code. And after you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, you can simply scroll through the stores near you and see its information as well. And on the left side, you will also find the map, and where is it located in the map will also show up what the pins, as you can see. And after that, you can order from the near store. And this is how to find a Buffalo Wild Wings near you using the location page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.